I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this Rifter in the Allure specification. So this car has 16-inch alloy wheels, sliding side doors, there's rear parking sensors. Inside the car, the touchscreen has 3D navigation, DAB digital radio, there's Apple CarPlay, Android Auto and Bluetooth. On top of this you get air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, there's cruise control with a speed limiter. The car also has speed limit recognition. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.5 litre Blue HDI engine. It gives you 130 horsepower. It's got a 6-speed manual gearbox, done less than 10,000 miles. If it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.